Hi everyone, today I'm sharing an all-natural drink recipe made from walnuts and fresh ginger to help keep your body healthy, boost your immunity, and stay active every day. This super healthy drink provides a great energy boost and supports your heart health naturally. Best of all, I'll show you how to reuse the leftover nut pulp after straining to make a batch of golden, crunchy cookies to enjoy, ensuring we keep all the nutrients and waste absolutely nothing. Let's head to the kitchen and prep the ingredients with me right now. First up are the walnuts. I'm preparing 100 grams of pre-shelled walnuts. I always pick walnuts that are bright yellow, dry, whole, and have a rich aroma. I never use nuts that smell, rancid or look moldy because those healthy fats have gone bad, which is really not good for your health. Next, I place all the walnuts into a bowl of warm water, around 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, / 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, making sure the water completely covers the nuts at twice their height. I let them soak for 2 to 4 hours at room temperature to soften the nuts and activate beneficial enzymes.
Regarding this step, Dr. Eric Berg, a famous American health expert, once shared that in nature, the skin of nuts contains natural protective compounds, which can sometimes cause a heavy stomach or indigestion for those with a sensitive digestive system. That's why he always recommends soaking the nuts in warm water before prepping to break down the natural enzyme inhibitors on the skin.
While waiting for the walnuts to soak, I'll prepare the next ingredient: fresh ginger. Ginger contains natural active compounds that help warm the body and boost blood circulation. To clean it, I put the ginger in a bowl of water with a pinch of salt. Trim off any bad parts and let it soak for about 5 minutes. Once cleaned, I use the edge of a stainless steel spoon to gently scrape off the thin outer skin instead of peeling deeply, preserving the precious essential oils right under the surface. Then I finely chop it. Back to our bowl of walnuts after soaking long enough. You'll notice the soaking water has turned a bitter yellowish brown. I empty the nuts into a colander and gently rub them under running clean water to wash away most of the thin brown skin. This is the main reason behind the bitter, astringent taste in nut milk. I completely discard the old soaking water. Rinse the nuts with clean water 2 to 3 times and let them drain. I toss the softened walnuts and the finely chopped ginger into a blender. I pour 500 milliliters of filtered water into the blender with the walnuts and ginger, then turn it to the highest speed and blend continuously for 3 minutes. Because of the high water volume, the nuts might be a little hard to catch the blades at first, so adding a bit more time ensures the walnuts and ginger are fully broken down and perfectly smooth. Once blended, I set up a mesh strainer lined with a clean cheesecloth on top. I slowly pour the mixture from the blender into the cloth bag. Then I gather the four corners of the cloth and use the palm of my hands to squeeze firmly from top to bottom. The resulting milk is silky, smooth, rich, and creamy white. I pour it into a glass. I add 2 teaspoons of honey, stir gently in one direction, and it's ready to enjoy. My final glass of milk has its original creamy white color, a rich and nutty taste, a warm kick from the ginger, and a subtle sweetness that makes it super easy to drink without a single bit of grit. As I take a sip, I can clearly feel the warm, rich milk coating my mouth. The nuttiness of the walnuts dances on the tip of my tongue, quickly followed by the pleasant, tingling warmth of the ginger lingering in my throat. With every swallow, I can feel my stomach warming up, and my body gets an instant, incredibly refreshing energy boost. This walnut ginger milk is my natural go-to for staying healthy, boosting immunity, and keeping my body active every day. The biggest benefit of this drink is that it supports metabolism, helping nutrients transport better throughout the body thanks to the arginine found in walnuts. Because of this, your body always feels light, wiping away fatigue after stressful hours of work. Plus, the warm spice from the ginger helps soothe the stomach, keeps the digestive system running smoothly, and takes care of your health in a wholesome way. Enjoying a warm, rich cup of this every day is a simple way for me to add clean nutrition, keep my body warm, and proactively care for my health from deep within. As for the dosage, I only drink exactly 1 glass a day, about 200 milliliters to 250 milliliters, nothing more. To let my body get used to it and achieve the best results, I drink it consistently every day for the first 2 weeks. After this period, once my body has stabilized and is full of energy, I start to space it out, maintaining it steadily 3 to 4 times a week. There is a small but very important note I want to remind you. Even though this drink is highly nutritious, ginger has a very warming nature. So, those who are prone to mouth ulcers, body heat, or pregnant women should consider cutting back on the ginger or consult a doctor before using it. Safety and listening to your own body is always my top priority. I wonder if anyone watching this video easily gets body heat. Leave a comment below so we can share our tips. Now, throwing away this nut pulp would be such a waste, so I'm transforming it into cookies. In the bowl with the pulp, I add 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of margarine so the cookies don't dry out. Then I mix everything really well until the dough is smooth, pliable, and no longer sticks to my hands. I shape the dough into small balls and then flatten them out like cookies. My go-to method is using the air fryer. Air fry the first time at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Flip the cookies over and air fry a second time for another 5 minutes until they are golden and perfectly crunchy. Once they cool down, the cookies have a rich, nutty walnut flavor with a subtle hint of warm ginger spice. Absolutely perfect to pair with tea. And that's it. I finished both the milk and the cookies from today's batch of ginger and walnuts. With just a few everyday ingredients in our cozy kitchen, we can prepare a delicious drink and a lovely snack to enjoy with the family. Have you ever made walnut milk at home before? Share your experience or your favorite ingredient combos in the comments below. I'd love to read them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my next natural recipes. Thank you for watching. Wishing you all health and peace, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.